everybody, welcome back to Sammy Joe Did You Know? This week I thought I'd do something a little different, so make sure you tune in next week for more quick tips with me. I'm often asked how I stay so on top of everything that I've got going on, whether it be my quick replies to my emails or the fact that I'm never late to a meeting. It wasn't always like this, and I used to have to toggle between lots of different screens to make sure that I wasn't missing anything. Until I set up my email to show me everything in one place, I might be a little bit late sometimes. The current settings that I have set up make it so that I can see any new emails that are coming in while I'm currently working on an email and my calendar at the same time. Let me show you how to set that up. In your Gmail, all you're going to do is click on your gear icon. That's going to bring up your quick settings. I scroll down to the reading pane menu and I click right side. After that, I then use the quick tabs on the right and open up my calendar. What this does is shows me everything that I have going on in a glance. That way I can stay on top of everything. This video might be geared more towards Google, but I do encourage you to play around with any of the settings that you have in your email to see if it can help you improve your quality of work. Make sure you subscribe below for more Sammy Joe Did You Know? I'll see you guys next week.